My master used to say that our nature is Sat-Chit-Ananda. What it means, it is absolute existence, consciousness and bliss. Have you ever yearned for something permanent, something truly real? Amidst the changing tapestry of the life, today we are diving into the heart of the Eastern wisdom. What is the heart of the Eastern wisdom? Just to realize that you are of the nature of permanent peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. But in order to do that, you have to filter out what is temporary, what is false, what is dependent, and what is not self-existent. That is the meaning of the false. And what is the meaning of the real? Real is self-existent, unchanging and eternal. It is pure existence, consciousness and bliss. That is what the Sat-Chit-Ananda means. Think of yourself. Master used to give a beautiful metaphor. Think yourself as a wave in the ocean. The wave appears, grows, changes shape, and eventually dissolves. It is temporary, dependent on the ocean. But the water that forms the wave, that water, metaphorically, is eternal, unchanging, the very essence of the ocean itself. You are not just a temporary wave. What is that temporary wave? Body, breath, mind, intellect, ego, thought, feeling, emotion, sensations, blame, complaint, duality, conflict. We are none of them. We identify with that. That's why we feel we are them. That we are the boundless ocean, simply appearing as a wave. The wisdom, Eastern wisdom, tells us that you are not just a part of the divine, you are the divine. Your true nature is already complete, blissful, and eternally present.